How to turn on and turn off high efficiency pictures on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Camera app. After click on Camera app, click on this four dot icon and click on Settings icon. Now in Camera settings, you will see click on Advanced Picture option. After click on Advanced Picture option, you will see high efficiency picture is here. If you want to turn on high efficiency pictures, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see high efficiency pictures is turn on. If you want to turn off high efficiency pictures, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see high efficiency picture is turn off. You will turn on or turn off high efficiency pictures from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off high efficiency pictures on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.